What's up guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we're going to be doing another unboxing video. But today's pair is actually super special because it is not a pair of like any recent release or latest drop or anything. It is a pair of Nike by You that I have been waiting for a while to get here. Nothing surprised, the model I've decided to do this pair is the Nike Dunk, so you know, nothing crazy or anything. Almost did an Air Force, but you know, Dunks aren't available. Why would you do an Air Force in 2022? But instead of doing like a crazy colorway or like my own design, I decided to go with like a pair that I have always wanted it, but you know, I ain't gonna pay 600 bucks for a pair of Dunks. That's why I decided to go with this colorway. As you can see right here, it is the Syracuse colorway. So you know, you can probably picture what the shoes is gonna look like. I mean, orange obviously. Say less, let's get into it. The shoes, you can see the paper, it's actually super cool. It's not, you know, it's Nike by You. Look at the shoe paper right here, you can see. Oof, orange already, super bright. And bang, right here, the Nike by You, but I did it into Syracuse colorway. But hey, first thing you look at it, since it's a Nike by You, you do get to pick your own material on your shoes, technically. But yeah, I decided to go with tumble leather. As you can see right here, I mean, the quality, it's just so much better than the GR Dunks. So in my own opinion, I think that Nike by You is a perfect or good option for you to go for a pair of Dunk. Instead of like a GR cheapy quality Dunk, you get to design your own colorway, or you can go with like a classic colorway just like what I did. But you can get a much better material. You're paying like an extra 50 to 60 bucks, and I think that 60 bucks is definitely worth it. I mean, compared to paying 600 bucks for a resale pair, I'm only paying like less than 200 bucks still. But one thing I've noticed that I think Nike is trying to prevent you to copy their, you know, classic colorways or popular colorways. Therefore, they're not gonna allow you to make like an exact the same pair of that shoes. I mean, for this pair, you can see the shoe tone right here. They would not let you switch to the orange, which the Syracuse Dunks is orange. I think that pair is orange, I'm pretty sure. But still, other than that, man, they look identical. But the material is better. But wait, let me take it back. I'm not sure, because I think that pair was released in 2020, and I think back then the material was pretty decent on that pair and the Kentucky pair. And after that, the quality for Dunks are just going straight downhill, but people are still buying it. That's why Nike kept the same strategy till now today. If you don't know, Nike's raising the price for the Dunks from 100 to 110. That's like a $10 increase. Just letting you know, they're not switching anything, but just to raise 10 bucks. But you know, people are still gonna buy it. They're just gonna keep adding up since no one's really complaining or stop buying it. But anyway, I have no problem with this. Like, one thing bad about Nike Nike by You is that you have to wait for such a long time. What I did, I just not think about, you know, refuse to check on the process of the shoes, so I don't overthink about where this pair is. But after receiving it, definitely worth it. I mean, man, look at this pair. The orange, you can't go wrong with this pair, man. I mean, Syracuse colorway is one of the best colorways out there. Agree, disagree. If you see a person wearing a Syracuse colorway in public, I mean, definitely catch your attention right away. Check it out and be like, man, I wish I could be in those shoes, you know. And now I will have a chance to do that. So I'm happy. One more thing I've noticed. Take out the shoes. I want to show you guys. The shoe paper is actually pretty cool. They do show you, you know, some options. You got design your own shoes. I think that's another pretty cool detail that makes the Nike by You a little more special. And anyway, this is much it. Thank you all for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel and follow my Instagram as well. And one last thing, if you have a chance to do your own Nike by You, especially on the Dunk, don't miss that out. I mean, it's a perfect alternative. I wouldn't say it's alternative because it's still a pair of Dunk. Plus, you get to do your own colorway. It is a little more expensive, but it's still cheaper than resale. Again, anyway, this is it. I'll see y'all soon. Peace.